Craig said to Mary, I'm away out for milk. Anything else we need? She went, get butter, get bread, we need eggs, and get washing up liquid as well. And check to see if we need salt. And while you're at it, get pepper as well. I need that for the thing that I'm making. Oh, what you making? Well, just hurry up, just go and just get a bottle of wine and all. Right. So Craig walked out the door and started walking towards the news agents, which is where he got these sorts of things for. As he was walking, he saw a black cat, completely black, no wee white bit on the nose or anything like, completely black. And the first thing he thought was, oh, that's meant to be good luck. It walked past him. He went, pss, 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 ch, 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 ch. And it sort of walked towards him. It was walking away and it started walking, one of the friendly ones. Gone about his legs and all that. That's a friendly cat. And he went, I better go. Started walking away. The cat walked after him one or two wee steps and then, nah, fuck him. And he went away. He walked a wee bit more to the shops. There was another black cat a wee bit further up the street. He's like, what? How did that get here? You look back, you could see the other one in the distance. He's like, oh, it's another one. I've not seen like a black cat for ages. Completely black, and there's another one. I wonder if that's double the luck, or if it cancels out the luck. Like in Bullseye, don't get nothing. You get nothing in this game for two in a bed. But he went, pss, 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 and that was friendly as well. He did that as well, and he looked at the other one to see if the other one was looking there kind of jealous or something, but no, it was just, that one was away now. So he kept walking, and he got to this road that he has to walk down to go to the shop, which is across the road in the air there. And he went down, and he saw a fucking another black cat. That's funny. It's like seeing like a completely white cat, completely white, and then another completely white one, and then another completely white one, or a tabby cat, a common tabby cat, and then another one, and then another one. That's funny. He took out his phone, took a picture. He had a wee look about. Are you allowed to just go out and take a picture of somebody's cat without permission? Took a wee picture of the cat because he wanted to tell Mary when he got back. Saw 3 cats, all black cats, and he thought about it. Is that interesting? I've only got a picture of one. I'll get a picture of the other ones. Be funny though, because I might take pictures of the other ones. As he was walking to the shops, he left that third cat behind. As he was walking there, he thought, but I'll take a picture of the one black cat, but if I take a picture of 3 of them, she might think it's the same cat because they're all the same sort of short haired. There's not like a long haired one with kind of like light eyes and one with sort of dark eyes. There's There was another one. A fourth one. He was like, right. This is a wind up. This is a. You never get 4 fucking cats the exact, like, look the exact same type in a row. You don't get it anywhere. That's a wind up. That's a wind up. It's a coven. No. He's like, it's fucking witches. This. No. Anyway, he got to the shop. The 4th cat he didn't bother clapping. I caught it clapping. He felt a bit bad about it. So I'll see it when I come back. I'll get, if it's still there, I'll get a wee clap. He was just too busy like thinking about it. He got to the shops and he got served and he was like, "What? God, what is it again? Salt." Tried to remember all that. And he actually said to the guy in the shop, "I just saw 4 cats. 4 cats there looked the exact same. One after the other." The guy said, "He sure wasn't the same cat?" No, I saw the other one, but... Oh well. Anyway, that's £10.20. Yeah, that's mad. 4 cats. He walked out the shop across the road to hopefully see the 4th cat. And he did see it and he gave it another wee clap. Then another one came out and he wasn't sure if that was the first one. One of the other ones. 2 black cats right there. And he was like, get the flat. Ready to take a picture. He got back, waiting to see the 2nd cat if it was there, it wasn't there. Waiting to see the first one, that wasn't there either. Got in the house and said to Mary, "Here, listen to this. See, what took you?" "Oh, I was away for a while." "Oh well, this is what I was doing. I was clapping these cats. I walked out as well. I don't know who one of the neighbours got a black cat, but you've been away for like 3/4 of an hour." Bullshit. "Listen, what took you?" "I was clapping some cats." "You were away for 3/4 of an hour." "I was away for 3/4 of an hour. What are you talking about?" "What?" Checked the time. It was like 5:37. You couldn't remember what time we fucking left. "You've been away for the..." He looked at the telly. She was watching a film that he'd already seen. He knew what part she was at and it was about 3/4 of an hour in. "What?" "No, I was just away for like 5 minutes." It was because of how long he was spending clapping these cats. And then she went, "No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking." I just skipped forward in the film. Just thought I'd play a wee trick on you with the film. Just skip forward because I've seen it. Remember, I've seen that film. I watched the beginning, but it's just that I went right to the end. Right. Was I away for a long time though? Because I was spending a bit of time with the cats. What are you talking about these cats anyway? Oh, there was these 4 cats that kind of 4 black cats, exact same sort of coat. That's weird. That. What are you saying about? So you forwarded through the film, and you want to play a wee joke in me? Right. I wasn't like Mary today. Something like that. I saw 4 cats. When's the last time you saw 4 cats, the exact same type, like in a row, like when you walk to the shop? What are you talking about, Craig? That's not like you to do that thing with the film. Craig, you alright? Something's not right. Something's not right here. Have you got somebody in the house? Have a what? No, sorry, that was stupid. Is this a wind up if I came back earlier than I was meant to? It's alright, I know you're filming me. What are you doing? It's alright, I know you're filming me, alright. Craig, have you went fucking mental? When's the last time you saw 4 fucking cats? That's not like you to do that. I'm going back out. Where you going? I need to check. He went back out. Walked all the way to the shops again. News agents. Couldn't see any of the fucking cats. No one. He went back and he said, Mary, which one of our neighbours has got like cats, like a black cat? I don't know, how am I meant to know that? About a month passed. There was a Wayne's party. Their Wayne's party was at one of the neighbours. Do you have a cat? Have you got a cat? No. Oh, Mum, can we get a cat? Oh, you've put that idea into their head now. Sorry, I just wonder, have you got a cat? No. No, I don't really like cats. You must not be happy with the other neighbours having cats though. Oh, fortunately there's no cats. Thingy next door hasn't got a cat, they've not got a cat. I'm a bit allergic to it. John's really allergic to cat hairs. Mary heard Craig talking about the cats. Are you still going on about these cats? He went, right, fuck it. Crowded room. So who here's got the black cat? Who's got the cat? The black cat? Anybody here got a black cat? People like that just no. Used to have a black cat when I was wee, but that was about 30 years ago. Oh, 30 years. Are you alright? I'm going to leave. What are you doing? I'm leaving. Something's going on here. He left and he saw a black cat outside, but he didn't go up to it. He stayed away from it and watched it to see where it went. The black cat went back into that house where the party was. And the Wayne that said, "Oh, mummy, can we have a cat?" said, "Oh, come here, Jingles." And there was another one of them came in. "Oh, there's Lala." Craig went up to the wee lassie and went, are they your cats? Mm-hmm. But just a wee minute ago you said, can we get a cat? Thought you didn't have a cat. And she looked at her mammy and daddy like this. And Craig went like that. Oh, no, it's fine. The mom and dad went like that. No, it's just wanted another cat. Craig went, oh, it's alright, that's fine, yeah. That's fine, yeah, That's fine. Craig left. And he didn't talk about the cats thing for about a month. But he just sat there like that. In the living room. Didn't talk about it. Then he got up one night. Went into his kitchen. And took out a knife. Now let me just tell you right now, no children were harmed. Let me just tell you that right now, no children or animals were harmed. But Craig done in that whole fucking street in the wanna. On that one night. Done them all in. He done them in. The street is about 20 hussies each side of the street. How long do you think it took him? He managed to do it in less than 90 minutes. There was a lot of sneaking about, a lot of waiting. Double checking. Managed to do it in the whole street. The winds were fine. After he done them in, he's got nothing against the winds. He phoned the police and the ambulances so they came round and discovered the bodies before the winds did. Because the bottom line was this, something was up. Didn't know what. Didn't need to know what. But something wasn't right. They were keeping secrets. They were up to something. Something wasn't right. Something wasn't right. Craig hid in a hedge the whole night. Watched the whole thing. The ambulances turn up and all that. Bit daft sending an ambulance. But they wanted to know exactly the state that the parents were in. But if they knew, they wouldn't have bothered sending an ambulance. They would have sent a fucking a butcher or something. Tied up the mess. But about 6 in the morning, Craig saw the shopkeeper, the newsagent, opening up for the morning. Craig went in, the first customer that day. He still had the knife on him. And he said, "What do you know?" The newsagent said, "Sorry?" He said, "Were you a part of it?" "The truth now, because I've got that." Pulled out a knife. "Oh, wants the truth?" The newsagent said, "I was nothing to do with it. I know what you're talking about, but I was nothing to do with it. I thought it was a bad idea for the start." And Craig went, and he was ready to ask, what? And he just thought, he just felt like, you know what? He didn't want to know it, he just felt like, "You broke my heart." And he left. He left to put the knife down and all. "Just want you to know, you broke my heart." And as Craig left, the shopkeeper said, "But what about your milk?" Because Craig had brought a 2 pint carton of milk up to the counter without even thinking about it, like autopilot. Every time he went in, he always got it. Or was it 4 litre? He said, "You brought my..." "What about your milk?" "Your milk, Craig!" But Craig didn't get the milk. He was never seen again until he was discovered by a fisherman. Somebody fishing at the canal. His body was discovered. Craig had used the knife and he took these wee strands of skin there and pulled them out so they looked like whiskers made of flesh. And that didn't kill him, he just died. The end. Jojo just said that he should have lapped up the milk. He never did. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. There we go.